Hello everybody. Today I'm bringing you a video on unboxing this Xtool XV100. It was given to me as a bonus free purchase with the purchase of the D9. I'm doing an unbiased review and I will tell you, I like it. It's not like the best heavy equipment feeling, but for the price, they're like $70. You can't beat it. If you drop something down into the engine compartment, it's hard to reach. This has little attachments that you can, it's a small item. You can get them out with the endoscope. It's got like a little hook, and I'll show it to you in the video now. Real easy to connect. You're going to see. You just plug the USB into the back of the Xtool, and you hit more, and it'll connect. There I'm showing you the actual little tools. Opening it up. Let's see. Let's see what I get out first. So what you're going to do is, I don't really do it in the video, but you just set the tool you want onto the end of the endoscope and then put that little plastic sleeve over to hold it on. There's a little mirror so you can get into other spots that you really can't even see with the endoscope, which that's kind of cool. And there is a magnet with a little magnet holder, but the magnet apparently came out, and I put it back in, and when I put it back in, I couldn't go in from the bottom. You see all the thing there, so what I had to do is go from the top part and slide it in there, which was not the easiest in my carpal tunnel. But I finally got it in there. You'll see. Boom, there it goes. And it'll pick up smaller items. I don't think it'll like pick up a big wrench or anything, but it will pick up things. And here we have the main tool that you want to see. Boom. The endoscope. Now, I will tell you this, when you get it out, don't do what I did. I tried using it, and I kind of left the little rubber cap off. There we go. We got to pull it off. And once that is off, now you can connect your USB to the back. You'll see me do that in a minute. The flexible line on there for the camera is, if I'm not mistaken, a little over 2 feet. Now on the D9 that I have, the USB port is on the top there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hit more, then hit endoscope, and then boom, there it goes. Now, here I switched it over. I put some video I just filmed tonight. This is me trying to figure out why it's not filming right. I'm like, what? Oh, take the rubber cap off. There we go. Now I'm filming inside the engine compartment. Yeah, there's rust. It's an older Kia Soul I got. It's my daily driver. But just showing you in the video, like right down there, I'm showing you the clutch cable. It's a 6-speed manual I got. You can get in there and see things. There's my clutch slave cylinder. Right in the side of the transmission. These are things you really can't see good from the top. And then here I'm going around and just looking into darker areas. You can really get in there. So if you want to see something that the naked eye can't see, you can get in there. And I think for the price, it's definitely worth it. I'm not going to say I got it for free. I got it in a package deal. So it was a deal they had on Amazon. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.